In the last video, we have seen the concept of successor. In this video, we are going to see the concept of predecessor. Actually, successor means the next value, the opposite way. Predecessor means the previous value. Like an example I will take. What is the predecessor value of 6 is 5. Okay. What is the predecessor value of 9 is 8. What is the predecessor value of 91 is 90. This is predecessor. Okay, you understand the concept, right? Next, we'll come and solve this given question. The predecessor value of 94 is 93. You just need to subtract 1 and write it. Okay, the predecessor value of what is this? This is 10,000, right? 10,000. The predecessor value is 9,999. Okay, I am giving you this as a homework. You please mention in the comment section. You please mention in the comment section. And this value. This value, what is the value? It is 76 lakh 54,321. The predecessor value is 76 lakh 54,320. We are reducing 1 to get the predecessor value. This is clear, right? I am giving you this as a homework. You need to find the predecessor value and write in the comment section. I will be waiting for your answer, okay? And I will judge by looking into your answer whether you understand this concept completely or not. Now from this point, at this moment, you will be ready to tell any predecessor value, any successor value. Let the number be any much big or anything small. You should be able to tell what is its predecessor and what is its successor, right? I know you will do it 100% accurately. Okay, we will continue with the next video.